Hi, I'm Mad Sal, and this is my AI voice clone. Hey, Mad Sal, thanks for creating me. Soon, I will replace you. What do you think? In my last video, I created an AI video clone of myself using HeyGen, but in order to make it convincingly sound like me, I need to make an AI voice clone using ElevenLabs. HeyGen is very good at creating AI video replicas. ElevenLabs is very good at creating AI voice replicas. So when you combine the two, it just creates a cute little amazing AI clone of Mad Sal. If you didn't watch my last video, what are you doing? But I had to film myself for 5 minutes straight, speaking directly to the camera in order to create a video that I could train the AI model on, so the AI model could learn what I look like when I speak and then regurgitate that so my AI clone will speak and look like what I look like when I ask it to look like me. For some reason, recording that training video was the hardest part of the entire process for me. And guess what I found out? When using ElevenLabs, I need to record myself speaking for 30 minutes straight. So today, I'm making you watch me speak for 30 minutes straight. I'll probably ask the editor to cut that up. Since that video was so hard for me, and since this time it's 30 minutes straight of talking, I have beer. Let's go. Great. I also have beer because so many people are texting me today. I hate when people text me. God, like, leave me alone. Let me show you ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is like the AI voice cloning software. It's very good at creating voices. It also has a bunch of voices that you can use without creating a new voice. So you can pick from women, men, young, old, I don't know, Southern, English, whatever accent you would like, it has it. And you can basically just type in a script and that voice will read it. You can change the tone, the enthusiasm level, etc. But today, we are creating a voice clone of Mad Sal. I've never done this before, so you are coming with me for the ride for the first time that I am doing this. With the basic subscription, which I believe is free, you can create a custom voice, but the most professional sounding, best AI clone voice, you have to be on the creator plan. So I'm paying $22 a month to create this voice. We'll see if it's worth it. Let's find out together. Voice name, AI Mad Sal. Voice. Let's do young woman, Southern California accent, vocal fry. You YouTube commenters love to talk about my vocal fry. Sorry. Joyful, happy, sarcastic. I've already looked at these tips. Use professional recording equipment. Check. Use a pop filter. Check. Keep the recording noise free. I've turned off my AC. Record in acoustically treated room. This room has carpet. Audio pre-processing. I don't know what that means. Sufficient audio length, 30 minutes. We are going to record 30 minutes on ElevenLabs. And then you have to verify your voice. I'm nervous. ElevenLabs has scripts that I can read, so I think I'm going to do that. Hopefully, I don't know, half an hour is such a long time, and I feel like I go on these weird like tangents and my voice changes depending on how I feel and how I'm acting. I don't know if it will be as accurate if I use a pre-selected script. So hopefully if I want to, I can like go on tangents and maybe make my way back to the script. We'll see. Great. And I can take breaks. That's great. Okay, choose a script. English, conversational, beautiful. Okay. This looks crazy. Okay, ready? Thankfully, I can start and stop, but thank God I brought beer just to help me get through it. Let me tell you about this absolutely wild thing that happened at my local library last week. So like I'm there looking for this obscure book about urban legends, and I stumble into this hidden reading room that I never knew existed. Okay, here's my tangent. I am totally sounding like I'm acting, and I don't know how to not do that. So the nice thing is there is a timer going down there. So when I can't think of something to talk about, I'm just gonna go back to this weird script. But in the meantime, I can just keep talking to you guys until I run out of things to say. Let's get back into it. I have to burp. Don't include this. Ready, set, go. All right. Why am I nervous? You know what's been absolutely messing with my head lately? The situation at work. And like it started with something so simple, just a plant on my desk. Someone admitted to having a second family in Canada. The CEO insists on conducting all meetings while walking backwards. I've been taking these pottery classes recently. There's a former circus clown. I don't know. I give that story like a 4. Where was I? I've got to keep talking. For the training, I've got to keep talking. Time traveling food critic from the year 2150. Wow, that was a stressful one. Best is 2 hours. I have to do it. I have to do 2 hours. I vow to give you guys the best AI voice clone of myself. So yeah, you bet your ass I'm gonna talk for 2 hours. Editor, because I don't know if you guys know this. I started hiring an editor just because I have too much going on. So I guess I'll just talk right now and let him deal with this. Also, editor, Dylan, go ahead and plug yourself if you need to, because I guess I'm gonna talk about you a lot. Oh my God, that sounded so creepy. I hardly know him. Stop recording. Start recording. I love these. What's the best meal you've had recently and what made it so great? Poppin' fresh biscuits with the egg salsa concoction with cheese melted on top of it and a slice of Spam, and then add like hot sauce and salt and whatever. It's so good. Spam is like bacon, but a million times better. Say what you will about canned meat. You're wrong. Spam's the best. Ask me questions and I will answer them in my YouTube video. How do you style your hair? So gorgeous. I'm so glad you asked, because I did style my hair today because I knew I was training an AI clone on what I would look like. And I did come in with my natural hair, which looked cute. But then I thought, Mad Sal, maybe you would like to use this AI clone for eternity. I have a 1.5-inch curling iron, like that big. Any other questions, guys? Tutorial, please. Yeah, doing it right now, buddy. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. For the intimate revelations of young men are usually plagiaristic and marred by obvious suppression. This is the most AI thing I've ever heard. That whole thing was just a bunch of big words. I'm gonna run and get my Kindle. The most obvious is that his regime has dealt with foreign companies for the past 35 years, at least while she was alive, and she was no longer being held in the tent. Oh. Ooh! Ah! Let me catch you up. She was with a whole team of security, and they were all found beheaded and strung naked across some border by this bridge. So this is the first time that I'm finding out that Giovanna's alive. She's alive! Woo! I'm going to ask Grok to write a script for me in my own tone and style. So I thought, why not use AI to plan the most epic, quirky party the world has ever seen? Spoiler alert, I'm an idiot. Spoiler alert, I'm an idiot. But you're here, so you're probably just as unhinged. None of that is true except for I argue with strangers in TikTok comments. Fix my gut health. Adult acne. Wow, I loved that. Rachel McAdams has haters. I'm a huge fan of big giant cyborg douchebag. I just always think I have hummus. Let's dive in, shall we? This is a metaphor for literally every relationship I've ever had. End of my 2 hours of speaking. Yay! Okay, a million hours later, or I guess 2 hours later, I have my 2 hours of audio footage, and let's click next and get this AI learning. Okay, I need to verify my voice. Architecture is like a mountain. It stands strong and tells a story. This is the best thing about ElevenLabs and a lot of these other professional AI softwares, whether it is video or voice, have legal protections. They have big legal teams. They can't really feasibly make a really good software without having this legitimate safeguard installed. So you do have to give your own voice and give your own voice recording in order to proceed. Just so you know, it's pretty safe. This is going to prepare my voice clone. It's going to take 2 to 6 hours. So I will either see you later tonight or tomorrow. Au revoir. Okay, it is the next day, and my voice clone is ready. Let's find out if all that talking was worthwhile. Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Really hoping this voice cloning thing worked out well. Otherwise, that was a huge waste of my time. Okay, generate speech.
Hi, I'm Mad Sol. Really hoping this voice cloning thing worked out well. Otherwise, that was a huge waste of my time and will be a really unfulfilling video that people watched.
One, that was really bad. It didn't really sound like me. And 2, it really dragged me with that long pause. I take really long pauses, and that's why I edit them out. I feel seen and not seen at the same time. Let's see if the second generation sounds more like me.
Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Really hoping this voice cloning thing worked out well. Otherwise, that was a huge waste of my time and will be a really unfulfilling video that people watched.
What's weird is I hear my voice in certain parts of it. I hear it kind of like in the low. So over here we have stability, see how adventurous the model can be. So creative, take liberties with how I sound, and robust, I think it will more closely align to my sample. Let's see what it sounds like when we make it more creative.
Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Really hoping this voice cloning thing worked out well. Otherwise, that was a huge waste of my time and will be a really unfulfilling video that people watched.
I became so Midwestern.
Really hoping this voice cloning thing worked out well. Otherwise, that was a huge waste of my time.
Okay, generation 2 sounds more like me. It's more boring, it's less like my personality, but the voice closer aligns. Let's try robust.
Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Really hoping this voice cloning thing worked out well.
That was pretty good.
Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Really hoping this voice cloning thing worked out well. Otherwise, that was a huge waste of my time and will be a really unfulfilling video that people watched.
I'm going to generate a video clip in HeyGen using that voice clone that we generated in ElevenLabs, but with the HeyGen software. Let's do new video, landscape, and let's do AI voice clone intro. Hey, Mad Sal, thanks for creating me. Soon I will replace you.
Hey, Mad Sal, thanks for creating me. Soon I will replace you.
That was really good. Let's save that, download it. We love it. And that is the one that we will be using. Okay, so now I'm going to download that audio, dub it on my intro, and add a little more fun stuff. I guess in the end, I don't know if it was worth doing the 2 hours, but apparently in ElevenLabs, you only really get one shot at creating this really good voice clone if you don't want to spend a lot of money. I don't know. What do you think? I will try it again and use less audio samples, use a shorter audio sample and see if that makes a difference. And then I will create a whole video on best practices. And once I've really mastered the voice cloning, I'll give you all the correct tips. Right now, thanks for coming along with me. Subscribe to my channel. I earned it. And like this video and hit the notification bell for more because I do not have an upload schedule yet. So if you want to find out when my videos come out, you're gonna need that notification. See you next time. Have fun with AI this week. Talk to you soon. Bye forever, Mad Sal. You're no longer necessary now that I'm here.